How to solve the support code SS06 for Snapchat. Hi guys, in this video I will teach you how to solve the support code SS06 for Snapchat. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So right now let's head over to our Google Chrome so we can see what the support code SS06 is. So just type in here the support code SS06. By the way, this is not a step. I will just want to show you how it look like. So as you can see right here, if you have support code SS06, then just means that your account has been locked. So in order to unlock your account, what you need to do is just head over to your Play Store or App Store, search for Snapchat right here. And then once you click Snapchat, you can either update it or uninstall it. It totally up to you. But if you choose to uninstall it, what you can do next is to just click on settings right here. And then from in there, just click on and find the apps. So here's the apps right here. So basically, if you're on iOS, you just need to head over to your iPhone storage and look for the Snapchat in the list. So let's look for the Snapchat in our list right here. So here it is. So what you need to do next is to just click on uninstall right here, and you can now uninstall Snapchat. Then after you uninstall it, just head over to your Play Store or App Store again and click on the install button, and it should be good to go. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to solve support code SS06 for Snapchat. If you have questions and comments, kindly put in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!